SYLVANIA UltraLED RT5/6HO and RT8 LED recessed downlight kits are quick and easy retrofits for recessed downlights or installation as standalone recessed luminaires. They replace up to 150 watt HID with up to 55% energy savings, with a life rating of 50,000 hours and universal input voltage. They're ENERGY STAR qualified, making them eligible for utility rebates. SYLVANIA UltraLED RT kits can be installed in compatible compact fluorescent downlight frames or without a housing by hardwiring their MC cable to a standard junction box. The kits are wet listed and dimmable. Accessories include trim rings in a variety of finishes and trim extenders, commonly referred to as goof rings, to accommodate up to 10-inch ceiling openings. Available in multiple color temperatures with a CRI of up to 90, SYLVANIA UltraLED RT kits are the perfect choice for the home, multifamily, healthcare, retail commercial lobbies, and other applications where light levels, good color rendition, energy savings, and long life are desired. For more information, visit www.sylvania.com or contact your LED Vance sales representative.